So as you all probably know by now, I absolutely love makeup challenges. I haven't done one in a while, so that's exactly what we're gonna do today. I thought we would do the 100 layers makeup challenge. What product do I want to put 100 layers of onto my face? And I was like, well, what product do I hate the most? And y'all know I hate lip gloss. Like, I'll wear it once in a blue moon, but I'm not a fan of lip gloss. So like, what better way to torture myself than to put 100 layers of lip gloss on? Okay, first and foremost, before we even get this lip gloss challenge going on, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure you smash that like button because I'm torturing myself for your entertainment and pleasure. So I feel like that's deserving of at least a like. So let's just get started. I'm going to do like as many layers on camera as I can. I'm not doing 100 layers on camera because that would just be like forever long. So I'll do as many as I can on camera and you'll just love it. Okay, so just jumping right into this, let's start with layer 1. Okay, she's cute, she's glossy. We got a long way to go though. Do layer 2. I can only imagine how many times I'm going to lick my teeth during this video because I'm so paranoid of getting anything on my teeth as it is. That's why I don't like lip gloss, but like, do it for the views, hopefully. Ha! Do it for the views. Ugh, I already hate this. Okay, layer 4. How are you guys doing today? I guess we might as well just sit here and chit chat because it's gonna be a long video and an easy video. So like, how y'all doing? How y'all been? What are your plans? What are you thinking about? Are you going on vacation? If you are you traveling? Are you not? Are you being safe? Are you not? Let me know. Ugh, this is nasty already. This is 7. I'm trying my best to keep track. This is 7. My lip shape is already starting to go. Ugh. Nasty. So lately I have been killing it on TikTok as I'm recording this video at 95,000, which is kind of insane, kind of deserving, not gonna lie. I've been busting my butt. So hopefully we hit that 100K here soon. Ugh, this makes me want to gag. Okay, this is a good start. Let's keep it going. I just want to know who in their right mind was like,
oh my gosh, you know, it'd be a great idea. Let's put 100 layers of insert product on our face. Wouldn't that be so funny?
I think the first product I ever saw, or the first video I ever saw that's like 100 layers was nail polish. And this nail polish was like stacked up like this high on someone's finger. It was the nastiest thing I've ever seen, but also like pretty cool. Ugh, this is nasty. Let's change colors though, like why not? Let's see some Bella & Co gloss now. 13. Ooh, this smells good though. I said ew, this smells good, but like, ew, it smells good. The things I do for your entertainment, right? Ooh, look at that.
Ugh.
That's disgusting. 14. Oh, it's chunky. Oh my God. Y'all better comment down below what you're thinking right this moment. I'm gonna barf. 15. It's gonna be all in my teeth. Bye-bye pearly whites. Actually, they're not that pearly. I need to bleach them, it's been a little bit. This is 15. This is literally my worst nightmare come true. That's a thumbnail. It's also a screenshot. 17. Will I lose track at some point? Probably, but it's gonna be as close to 100 as I can manage. Ew, the lines are like, ugh, nasty. 18. So soft though. Why is this burning my lips? It literally is burning my lips. Ugh, it's disgusting. Okay, here is layer 20. This is literally burning me. Okay, we're gonna need to speed this up a little bit because y'all don't got all day to watch me do this. Okay, we're going back to the clear Morphe. This is 21. Okay, you guys, this is layer 30. Oh my gosh. Can I even get to 100, honestly? Why is this exhausting? This is work. I thought this was gonna be quick and easy. It's not. This is layer 30. We're going in with this Morphe gloss. I'm just gonna like ruin all my products, but like, whatever. 31. Oh gosh. 32. Okay, jump cut to 50. This is layer number 50. This is so nasty and I feel so disappointed in myself and my mom is probably disappointed in me. 51. Oh. Ew, oh my God. It's gross. I deserve better than this. I deserve more subscribers for this. I'm just gonna look in the monitor. Okay, this is layer number 60. Oh my God. I don't have any lips. This looks like I have an infection. Kiss me. I found a new gloss. This is a Pat McGrath one and it's really sparkly. So let's throw it in. 61. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, why did I ruin this? That's pretty. Look at that. Yes. Okay. I'm just ruining all my glosses, but like I also don't really care because I don't like them. So like whatever. 61. This is gorgeous. And like honestly, why does this look like it fixed my lips? Well, my lower one. I mean, that's kind of a stretch, but like whatever. It's an improvement. Like it is though, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Back to Morphe. Why? I'm gonna barf. This is literally like what children do, like when they get into their mom's makeup.
Mom, look, I'm pretty.
And the mom's like, yeah, baby, you're so cute.
This is layer 70. We're getting there. I'm sorry that you have to watch this. 71. But like if I had to do this, you gotta watch. Watch me lose like all my subscribers because they're just disgusted. Like I'd understand. This is layer number 80. Oh my gosh, we're getting close. I don't know how many layers I'm actually gonna show on camera because nobody wants to sit here and like watch me speed up 100 layers. Like that's kind of ridiculous. Like just know, I'm doing this video, I'm doing all 100 no matter what, whether you see them all or not. Oh, I got it in my teeth, I crunched it. Okay, we are on layer 90. Here's 90. Oh my God, we are so close. If you've made it this far, however this far is, oh, it's in my teeth. Oh, that's nasty. 93. If you've made it this far, you better hit that like button by now. I swear to God. 94. I'm pretty. I'm pretty. 95. I'm the prettiest little angel. Pat McGrath is shaking right now. 96. This is... That's nasty. This is how you overdraw your lips. We are so close. We are almost there. Stay with me. 97. I just don't care at this point. 98. Let's get a nice old glob. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Look at this. This was clear. It is not clear anymore. 99. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's running. Oh gosh. We've made it though. We're here. It's so nasty. The top lip is the worst. I'm gonna use this last bit for the big old...
Say with me, 100.
Oh my gosh. Oh, oh yes. Oh, I can't imagine the noises and the sound effects that I'm creating right now for you guys. This is my thumbnail. That actually might be. But we did it. That is literally layer 100. I probably did more actually, but oh my God. I can't believe I just ruined such a beautiful look with this. Like, look at these eyes. I actually just did a video, so like, hopefully you've seen it already, but like, I'm never doing this again, but like, let's just do 101 for the hell of it. Like, why not? Like, oh yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I don't really know how to segue out of this disgusting face to an outro, but here we are. So that is today's video where I did 100 layers of lip gloss. It's literally, oh my God, this is the nastiest thing I've ever seen. Like, will I do this again? Absolutely not. Will I do another 100 layer challenge of something else though? Yes, but like lip gloss, absolutely not. And will I ever wear lip gloss again? Probably not. Oh, I just spit gloss all over. Oh my God, and it's in my teeth. This is literally disgusting. My lips are on fire. I don't know why, but they are. So I'm gonna take this off as quickly as I can. But that is today's video all complete, and I can't talk much longer because it's literally running down my chin. So if you'd like to keep up with all things Cody J, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry. And if you don't wanna follow me, I completely understand. I wouldn't follow me either. But if you enjoyed today's video or you're disgusted, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my video. It's running. Turn on my video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you have the day you deserve.